KitGuru is here with Biwin at Computex 2026, and what we saw a little bit of at CES, but we weren't really allowed to talk about, is Origin Code. Origin Code is effectively the high-end performance brand. What we're looking at here is something really quite special. This box here weighs in at over £3,000. The price actually fluctuates because this is a 256 gigabyte kit of high-end performance 4R CUDIMM memory, complete with air cooling. You have to say that the styling on the memory modules themselves and also the cooler is pretty neat, but there's one other thing you get in this kit. Over here on the side, you've got a little box, and inside the box you've got a bullet. No, not a bullet. You've got a screwdriver which allows you to attach the cooler to the top of the DIMMs. So the fan itself is wide enough to support 4 DIMMs, and they even have a water cooling block. So the kit we saw weighs in at just over £3,000, and it's currently in stock at overclockers. What you've got over here is the water block, which is about 120, and as you can see, the fan unit underneath is exactly the right size for all 4 modules. And then if you want, you can go with a custom loop. Silver unit you can see here is actually 4x64, so you're getting the same kind of memory as you saw before, except that's with 2 modules and this is with 4. Another important difference is that the 2x128 kit you saw is Intel, and the one on this side is for AMD. The other modules that come in black are the 48 gigabyte, so this is a 96 gigabyte kit, and this runs at 6,000 megahertz. So AMD's announcement of the next generation of AMD EXPO ULL as a standard on Monday, just before Computex opens its doors, means that if you buy a 6200 kit, you not only get an improvement over the standard timings when you enable EXPO ULL, but you also get a significant drop in cache latency because the new system tweaks a lot of settings at a much deeper level than you'd normally be involved with. Biwin itself has a range of storage solutions designed for everyone else in the market. The thing that's new that hasn't been seen before is the M560. This is an affordable Gen 5 product. It'll be 1 terabyte and 2 terabyte, and the wattage is low enough that you can use it as an upgrade for your laptop. So if you had to get a laptop when the memory is really expensive, maybe you only got a 512 or a 256, you need a lot more space, then the Biwin M560 could be the right product for you. Expected launch is in the Q3 market, and at the moment we don't have pricing, but they're going to look to be as competitive as they can. And we've also got the Biwin NV7200. This is the Gen4 SSD, which comes in standard capacity 500, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, and if you're very fortunate, 4 terabyte. And this is the kind of product you might want to look out for in the summer, perhaps around Amazon Prime days. If you're a mobile gamer with a compatible handset and you need additional storage, then Biwin's got you covered. The traditional CL100 PCI Express 4 mini SSD is being superseded by the latest BL130. This one offers improved speed, greater IOPS, and should be highly affordable. And to check compatibility, you'd be looking for a slot like this. For those looking for regular amounts of performance, you probably recognize the Black Opal X570 Pro that we reviewed last year and did really, really well. Now we've got the updated version. This is the X570H Pro, which comes with the cool little heatsink on top. You've then got memory with heatsink. This is DDR5, and you get a choice of with or without RGB, depending on how you like your DW100 or HX100 RAM modules. What you may notice here on the detailed specs with these modules is they actually go up to 8400. So the kit here is on an MSI X870E Unify X motherboard. It's running with a AMD 9600X under the bonnet and achieving the 8400 C42 speeds that we just showed you on the screen. And Biwin provide a range of external devices. These are shockproof, ruggedized SSDs. So if you need an SSD, anything up to 8 terabyte for whatever project you're doing outdoors, that could be useful. Maybe you're an Apple user and you want it magnetic stuck on the back. Perhaps you've got a dash cam and you want your dash cam memory module to kind of fit in with the look and feel of your dash cam stuck onto the window. If you're a Nintendo Switch guy, again, they've got you covered with devices up to 1 terabyte. And if you're a content creator and you need really, really fast, large scale storage, then the Biwin Amber series can also help you out there. So one thing we might see in the future is that the micro SD cards might take over from the standard SD cards, because now the speeds are comparable and they're durable. So these things will work anywhere from minus 25 up a mountain to plus 85 in the deserts of the Middle East. So that's it from Biwin at Computex 2026. You've got the standard products, consumer products, you've got regular type memory, and of course the showpiece of the whole thing is the origin code kit here, weighing in at over 3,000. So we'll hope to get that in a goodie bag at some point in the future.